in the previous lecture, what we did is we were able to change the role of the user from user to admin. So you remember when we toggle back, it would automatically change the user role to user. If we toggle again, it will automatically update the user to admin. All right, so now let's toggle again to change it back to user. So let's click on view to view this. So what we need to now change is, you can see this should not be email. We have to adjust it. So I know maybe by now you would have adjusted from your section there. So here is going to be phone. Then this particular place is going to be status. All right, that is either active or inactive. So let's save this. So you now come to this place. Let's refresh it. Very nice. So here you can see the status is inactive. So what we have to do now is we are going to work on it, where since we have two options, either active or inactive, so it should now just same way we have it for the user. We have user, either user or admin. So here we also have active or inactive. So we can easily activate this user from this user profile. So to do that, let's just come to this point here. You can see user detail page. So this user's detail page, we have to work here. So this is all user. We can be able to utilize the use of the toggle also to make things easier for us. You can see this is the toggle, so you can be able to make use of it also. So to use it, this is all user. So in the all user, what we can do here is we have this toggle that's for this. So we can just copy this completely, that is this form. Let's just copy it for the toggle. So come back to this place. You can see where this div is, right? So just cut this div here, also remove the comment, then let's remove this. So after we remove it, inside now we can be able to paste the form. All right, so as we paste the form, you also come back to this all users. This is for toggle, that is the CSS for toggle. So you can also copy this whole CSS from here, come to details here, and you now also paste it at this point. Then let's save it. So let's go back and click on this view user. Yeah, you can be able to see, you can see we have the toggle, but we are not going to use it now. We have to add some little details. So in this place where we paste it inside this div, let's add a bold, then we can say activate, or we can say, yeah, change status. So let's save this. Then we'll now refresh the page like this. Yeah, you can see change status. So now to change the status, we need to modify everything from here. So here we have to also, same process we followed the other time. You can see this place here. Let's just copy this all route, because they also look almost exactly same. So we just need to change admin user toggle status. We can say toggle status. All right, then here is also going to be toggle status. All right, then this is also going to be user toggle status. All right, so now let's save this. So next thing is we have to come back to the controller. This whole thing, so we can just copy it exactly like this. This is very easy, and save it here. So next we can now, the name of our function is toggle status. So let's copy toggle status from here. Then we'll now paste it at this place. All right, so when we do this, next we're also going, this is okay, we don't need to remove everything. Then user status, the name of our table, the name of our column is status. You can see it here, status. All right, so this status, that's what we are going to use also. So we come to this place, user status. All right, then here the name, when we come to the details here, the name here is also going to be status. Yes, status. So you can copy this That's what we are going to change at this point here. So user has status, that is the request. Then the two items are user can be active. So if user is active, change it to inactive. Inactive. These are the two items we have inside this. You can see we have active, then we also have inactive. All right, so that is it, either active or inactive. Then here we can say the toast should show us that user status updated successfully. All right, so that is cool. So now let's come back to the detail. Here you can see it's supposed to be, we are going to use this function, this route name, toggle status. So let's copy this. The details is here. So where is toggle status? We have to change it to this place, toggle status. All right, then user ID, then it's post also, then the name is status also. Then here you can see we either have two things, either it should be active or inactive. All right, so if it is active, then or inactive. All right, so this is supposed to be like this. If it is active, so here it will be user status like this. All right, so if user status is active, then this place, that is the check, this toggle should be by this item, by this side here. All right, so that is all. So now that is cool. So let's save everything. Then we'll now go back and refresh this. So you can see this is inactive. Let's assume I go back and open the users. If I open the view of this admin, you can see this is what, this is active now because it's admin. All right, so because the status is active, so that is why it is also active here. You can see, right? So if I go back, I now click on this, I open the user, you can see it's inactive. That's why this is like this. So if I click on this to activate it, you can see user status updated. Here is now active, then this is also active. So when we go back to users all, we can be able to see them like this. You can see, right? So this is how we can change the user status, that is from inactive to active. All right, you can see it here. The moment I go back, I click on this, change it back to this, you can see it says user status updated, then this is back to inactive, and when we come back to the database, it's also going to be back to inactive. Very nice. So now this is how cool it is. See you in the next lecture. Do not forget to leave a very nice review to this video.